Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create this glitter text in Photoshop, a photo editing program, so that this text will mask the glitter material, and then we're going to adjust the glitter material so that some parts will glow and some parts will be darker. To start, drag an image of this glitter material into Photoshop, and then you can adjust the size. Do it like this. After holding the Control and the T keys, adjust the position and then the size, just like this, the way you want. And then right click, click on rasterize layer, and then afterwards go to image adjustments and then head over to black and white to make it black and white, and then click on OK. Afterwards head over to image adjustments and then head over to photo filter. Let's make it blue, for example. Make it blue by dragging this one, and then let's increase the density so that it's strong, just like this, and then click on OK. Afterwards, well, up to you actually. Go to image adjustments and hue and saturation to, drag the slider for hue to get the color that you want. Up to you, but I'm going to stick with this light blue glitter material. And then let's make some glowing parts. Click here for a new layer and then make it white. Let's, paint some parts so that it's, glowy. Glowing, that's to say, sorry. Just like this, make it glowy. Glowing. Just like this. Fancy. And then when there's this, sparkly area, make it glowing just like this. And then afterwards, you can change the blending mode into overlay, just like this. And then hold the Control and the J keys to duplicate it. And then let's say if we want to decrease the opacity, select them all by holding the Control key while selecting these two, and then right click, merge layers, and then we're going to make a blurry effect. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then, increase the, the radius. So it looks like this pretty much. And then afterwards, change the blending mode to overlay again. And then select these two by holding the Control key, right click, merge layers, and then let's go to image adjustments and then levels to increase, the intensity of the darker parts. And then by dragging the white part to the left, you're going to, highlight the shiny parts. You can drag it here, up to you, so that you can, increase the contrast, and then click on OK when you're done. And then let's create the text now. Click on this so that we can create a new layer, and then click on the type tool. And then type anything, for example, glitter. Hold on, no, let's actually reduce the size of the text first to 100, 200. Just like this. And then we type, for example, glitter, just like so. You can choose any font that you want, but I'm going to use this one as an example. Now let's make a black background. Click here, put it under the text layer, and then paint it black by clicking on the paint bucket tool, just like this. Hold the Control key to select the two layers, right click, rasterize type, right click, merge layers, and then change the blending mode into multiply. Oh, fancy. Now you have this glitter text in Photoshop, just like this. It's pretty easy. And then you can even, make it blurry. Go to select, go to filter, Gaussian blur. Nah, that's too blurry actually. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then just decrease the radius actually, just like this. And then when you're done, you're done. You've created this glitter text in Photoshop. Pretty fancy. Thanks for watching, guys. It will help if you want to, design a poster, and then you want to have this, shiny elements in it. Pretty easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.